Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. We're about to get stuff underway. Practice about to start. I've still been wondering how they're going to pull off 38 motos today, a lap longer than yesterday. And they just announced they are changing the motos. They just announced they're changing the motos from 5 laps to 4 laps. It's still going to be... They ended up doing 35 4-lappers yesterday and they raced till 6:30. And they have to do 38 4-lappers today. So we'll see how it goes. It should be fun. I honestly don't know if I could survive that 5th lap anyway, so I'm not worried about it. But update on the guy they were doing CPR on yesterday. They brought that helicopter in, picked him up. He did not make it, guys. I'm not sure what happened to him beyond the fact that I heard he hit a kicker and crashed and then got ran over. And that stuff will shake you, dude. That stuff will make you question what you're doing out here. And even more so if you're a little older and you have a lot of responsibility or kids, it'll definitely make you question. So better definitely make sure if you're out here doing this that you really enjoy it, or you shouldn't be out here. That's for sure. It better be something that you really love to do. So, but anyway, my class is dwindling down, man. More guys threw their hands up and left. So, just shows like amateur motocross is so much more goes into getting a result than performance on the track. Like, it starts at the very level of getting to the races, you know, getting accommodations, having your bike ready, coming up with the fuel money and stuff to actually get to the track, keeping the bike running smooth and the family running smooth, and finding people to come help you. And then, like, okay, you made it to your area, and like, did you pay for your regional on time? Now you got to drive, 6 or 7 hours to your regional maybe, and you get to that, and like we saw what happened. There were more than 64 guys that wanted to come here, and only 51 ended up paying. People get deeper into the summer and they say screw it, or they don't have the money, or they have something going on that weekend, You just never know. Then only 48 people showed up, and since then it's dwindled down even further than that. I talked to a few guys on the line yesterday that were just kind of psyched out by this track, kind of bummed out that they didn't feel like they were performing to their abilities because they hadn't had any time on this track, or they just couldn't ride this kind of track. And I can understand that for sure. I've been going through that for years, just not having time to ride like I used to, and practice, and maybe not having like the perfect equipment set up. But I don't know, that just comes along with it. Like, you start putting your time into other things, and if you don't dedicate as much time and energy to this, you're not gonna be able to perform like you know you can. So I still love it though, so I'm gonna keep riding. But this track is definitely legit, guys. If you ever get the chance to come up to Baja Acres, it's even just a camp or watch, man. The place is a great facility. All the people so far have been really nice. Looks like the guys are rolling up the gate for the first practice, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go strap the gear up and get ready to spin some laps. This day started. guys. Here he comes around on the cow at number 70. This is John Gruey. This guy's been dominating the vet classes for years.
Young lady, Lace Bevina Kunaha. Oh, slightly burned out, but still smoking. Oh my God.